Hi, welcome to today's session on self-diagnosing of your Koolboks solar freezer. I am George, a solar engineer at Koolboks, and with me is Badmus, a customer care representative.
Hi everyone, we are excited to help you learn how to troubleshoot minor issues on your solar freezer, which can save you time and ensure your appliances run smoothly.
Let's start with an overview of the solar freezer. Our Koolboks freezer comes with several key features designed for convenience and efficiency. This includes a double gasket for self-improved sealing, an ice thermal storage, a pay-as-you-go technology, 4 USB bulb, 4 USB ports, and a 10 cm thick insulation.
This feature do not only enhance the productivity of the freezer, but also makes it more efficient and user-friendly. Now, let's talk about why self-diagnosis is important.
Self-diagnosis empowers you to address minor issues on your own, which means less downtime and fewer service calls. It is cost-effective, saving you money in the long run.
Exactly. And today, we will walk you through a step-by-step guide on how to perform self-diagnosis on common issues you might encounter.
The green light is going on and off at intervals. Badmus, can you explain this?
Sure. If the green light is blinking, it usually means you need to check the battery voltage. For a 12-volt system, the battery is low if it is between 10.8 volts and 11.5 volts. For a 24-volt system, it is low if it is between 22 volts and 23.5 volts.
This often happens early in the morning or late in the evening when the system is trying to charge up. If the battery is low, give it some time for it to recharge.
Next, let's talk about thermostat control. George, what should customers do if their freezer isn't cooling properly?
If the freezer isn't cooling properly, the first thing to do is to check if your thermostat is set to cool. If that is so, then turn the thermostat to 3 or 4. This adjustment usually solves the issue. If the battery is well charged and the thermostat is set correctly and the problem persists, it is time to reach out to the customer service team to make your complaint known.
Another common issue is when both the green light and red lights are off. George, how should customer handle this?
If both lights are off, first, check the battery voltage display. If it is not displaying, turn on the battery using the red switch. Also, check if the load switch, that is, the black switch or the silver switch, is off. If it is, turn it on and ensure that the load cable is properly connected. If the problem persists, then it is time to reach out to the customer service team for prompt resolution.
Now, what if the freezer shuts down early? This can be particularly concerning.
That's right, Badmus. During rainy season, the battery may not charge well. We advise the customer to connect to the grid to conserve energy. Also, check the thermostat level and set it to 3 or 4 if it is above 4. More so, if the customer is using a tubular battery, we advise the customer check the water level and refill with distilled water if necessary.
And don't forget to clean the solar panel regularly to ensure they are not covered with dust. If you are using a lower configuration, consider upgrading for a longer runtime. And if after all these checks, the problem persists, you can consider to reach out to the customer care line and an engineer will be assigned to provide solutions to the freezer issues.
Thank you for being part of the Koolboks family. Together, we can ensure that your freezer runs efficiently and effectively.
If you have more complex issues that are not mentioned in this video, our customer care team is always ready to assist you. Have a great day, everyone. Thank you.